Okay, let's unbox it. Look at that. The box is huge and thick, but actually it's because there is a backpack inside. Let's take it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see what's in this backpack. It comes with a backpack. I don't really need it. I don't think I'm gonna use it. It's not bad. Let's see if we get another extra laptop inside it. No? Okay. Nice backpack. Thank you, Asus. How do you open it? Probably this, like this. Right? Oh, yeah, it is. Wait a minute. How do I close it again? So yeah, this is the laptop. Are you ready? Oh, are you ready? This is how it looks like. This is the I logo. It lights up when it's switched on. Let's check out what it looks like inside. Oh. Okay, this is the laptop. Let's see what else we got here. The box is really nice. What is this? This is the first time I bought something this expensive, so yeah, it better be nice, okay? Manuals. This. Oh, it's this, whatever this is thing. This is the keychain. Looks really nice. Apparently this is what makes it expensive. Stickers. Don't really want them. Don't really need them, but yeah, it's nice to have it here. Can we get cheaper price if we don't get the stickers? Oh, this is the charger. The power brick is huge. The cable. Wait, where's the cable? It's wasting so much space. Well, I guess they're trying to make it look so nice. Is that it? Is that it? That's no other thing. I mean, this is like the size of a tablet. What if, with the same price, they include a tablet, a phone tablet? That'd be nice. Okay, that was it, I guess. Yes. I recorded that unboxing about a month ago, and after that, something not very nice happened. I used the laptop and I discovered something weird. The processor, it randomly dropped to only 0.79 gigahertz and it's stuck there. It shouldn't stuck at a certain number. There is a setting where you can adjust how much power that you want to use in your laptop, but even when you're setting it low, it's not gonna stuck at a certain number. If it's normal, when you see it in Task Manager, the graph is gonna move around. At first I didn't panic because I've experienced that before in my old laptop from years ago, and yeah, at that moment I tried several things that I knew have worked when I tried to fix my old laptop, but no result. It kept happening, and I also discovered another problem, the battery. It also happens randomly. The battery, when I plug it in, sometimes it works. It's plugged in and it's charging and it was fine. But it's only for a while. When I use it for several minutes, it's gonna stop charging and the indicator is gonna show plugged in, not charging. And at other times, again, this is completely random. Sometimes when I plug in, it immediately shows plug in, not charging, and yeah, it was not charging at all. The laptop was obviously still in warranty, so yeah, the next day I brought the laptop to Asus for repair. After they checked it, turned out that yes, I got a bad unit, and the first attempt that they tried to fix the laptop was they tried replacing the battery. It was like 1 or 2 days for checking the laptop, and then another 2 or 3 days for ordering the parts because they didn't have the parts ready in the service center. About a week later, I was told that the repair was done, so I went to Asus. But when I checked it, the problem was still there. Well, yeah, so I had to leave my laptop there again. They're gonna check it again, and then they changed the main board. Correct me if I'm wrong, but in a laptop, when you're talking about a main board, it's including the processor and the GPU. So yeah, they replaced all that. It took about a week and a half or maybe 2 weeks, because in total everything is, I think it was exactly 3 weeks. About a week ago, they told me that the repair is done. Checked the laptop, and that time it was good. I think it was good. The battery works, the charging is okay, and when I checked on Task Manager, the processor seems to be working okay, I haven't used it for anything heavy. I've only used it for browsing the internet, watching YouTube, because all my works are still in my old laptop. But yeah, so far I think it works fine, and it's as good as it should be so far. Okay, let's talk about this laptop. Let's talk about my first impression. Let's talk about my experience in using this for browsing the internet and watching PewDiePie's video. After using it for about a week, I found several things about this laptop that's a bit annoying for me. There are a lot of things that I like, but yeah, there are several things that annoys me too. The first one is the screen. The screen specification is in this laptop is actually really good, and it actually is good, but I don't think I've ever used any Windows laptop or computer that has good screen before. My idea of a good screen, it probably came from using Apple computer, and the contrast, the saturation in this is, I think, different. The characteristic is different with Apple. It's not that it's bad, it's just that I think it's a little bit different. I still feel a little bit weird about that, but I think this is something that if I use it long enough, I'm gonna adapt to it and I'm gonna be used to it, and I think it's gonna be fine. Another thing that I need to adapt to is the keyboard. The keyboard layout is different from my previous laptop. For now, I think the most annoying thing is the delete button here. I usually use my laptop for editing videos and making music, and I use the delete button a lot because I make mistakes all the time. I delete all my stuff all the time. I delete my stuff even before I make any. That doesn't make sense, but that's how important the delete button is for me. In my previous laptop, the delete button is exactly in the corner, so I already know where exactly it is, while my right hand is using a mouse and my right hand is reaching for the delete button. It's easy to find it in the corner, but now it is like surrounded by other buttons. At this point, if I want to delete something, I still have to take a quick glance and, oh, that's the delete button, and press the button. Another thing that I don't like about this laptop is the weight. It is noticeably heavier than my previous laptop. I was hoping that the weight difference is not gonna bother me that much, but man, when it is in my backpack, I can totally feel it. It's heavy. It's a bit annoying, but yeah, I guess that's the downside of having a big screen like this. No, you can get a big screen with lighter laptop. The Asus ROG is smaller and lighter, but yeah, this is nicer. Anyway, also this edge here. If you're sitting on a table where the table is higher than your elbow, then your hand is gonna rest here, right? And this edge here, I think it's not super sharp, but I think it can be smoother. It can be made smoother. It is a bit annoying. You can feel that it hurts a little bit. While in my previous laptop, it's super smooth and it's not annoying at all. You don't realize that this is something that you need to pay attention to when designing a laptop, but I guess it is, because this is a little bit annoying. What else? Oh, the color is black. So I found that it's easier to look dirty because of dust and stuff. The surface here is like smooth, and this part here, it has texture. I actually like this texture one because the smooth one here is very easy to leave smudges and fingerprints here. So yeah, again, it's easy for this to look dirty because I'm gonna have to clean it every time I use it, which I'm actually not very interested to do. Anyway, but yeah, everything else in this laptop so far, it's nice. Okay, that was my unboxing, a little story of how I got a bad unit, but now it's fixed, and also my first impression on ROG GL503GE. Tell me, what do you think about the laptop, and maybe you want to buy a new laptop, maybe that can be your candidate. I also have another video where I compare the laptop with another laptop like Asus FX505 and Lenovo Legion Y530. Like or dislike this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, thank you for watching, bye bye.